guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Key, and today guys I am doing a cartoon character look. I was like, well, let's go back to my childhood, what type of cartoon characters I like. And today we're doing the Fairly Odd Parents. I always loved watching Timmy Turner and Cosmo, Wanda, Jorgen, Tootie, and I was like, let's do Fairly Odd Parents. So hopefully it's looking that right. I was like thinking it in my head. I seen everybody doing a pink eye and a green eye, and I was like, well, let's do dual. Let's do both colors together, and maybe a little highlight in the center. But we'll see how it comes out. I'm going to use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna do. Let's see. I'm gonna do pink on the inside and green on the outside. And for the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, if you guys haven't seen it yet, the colors are very pigmented, so it doesn't take a lot for these colors to show. I did use the white eye primer from Believe Beauty, so that way the colors can pop a little bit. And also I am having a mirror on this side too, guys, so that way I'm able to see a little bit more, and the colors can really show up and show out. So what I'm doing is I'm only going halfway. I'll probably bring the pink over just a little, halfway for each color, and then where they stop, what I'll do is add a little bit of highlighter. Highlight, yes, a highlight. Add a little bit of highlight. How are you guys doing today? My day is actually good. I had a chill, relaxing day, even though I had to work. Yeah, I like how they start already. It's showing up really good here. And the Take Me Back to Brazil, it has a ton of greens in it, but I might use a candy apple type green. Or a Granny Smith apple type green for Cosmo's color. Everybody know Wanda's color is pink, vibrant. Yeah, I like that. That looks good. And then I'm gonna try to blend just a little bit in the center there, so that way they're able to mix and mingle. I was gonna try to incorporate a push color some type of way, but I was like, you know what, I'll just stick the green and pink. And I didn't use a lot of white primer at all. I know last time I had a lot of white primer on, you could still see it, but this time I was like, let me not use too much. And I might add a little bit more pink. I think that might be good though. So I want it vibrant. I want to pop just a little bit, and the middle is where both the colors are going to clash. Alright, so there goes the pink. This candy apple green. Let me take the some of it off actually. I'm gonna get really good in the crease here, so that way it can really stick. know, crazy how some of the episodes that I watched for Fairly Odd Parents, I think Vicky was really the one I hated the most because she was like the mean babysitter. She always got she always tortured to me instead of just being a good babysitter. Of course, she was the mean, evil teenager one. But the one I really liked was when they had Chip Skylark. Chip Skylark in the shows made the show actually pretty good. Like, I think my favorite Chip Skylark episode was Shiny Teeth and Me. I did remember that one. Alright, so I'm gonna add a little bit more green. What I'm doing is I'm just pressing in the green so that way it will stay and at least match up with the green over here. I might add just a little bit more so that way it can pop out, because I know sometimes the green it'll overpower another color and then it's like, okay, so what happened? So the next thing you know, the whole color will be gone. Alright, I'm gonna try the Kinder Glow highlight palette. And we're just gonna put it right on top of that line here. So I put the highlighter like right in the center there, so that way it'll like combine the two. Alright, so I just used the highlighter on my lids to cover up the little line there. And what I'm thinking about doing is adding, I was gonna do like a white eyeliner, but I might use the pink and green underneath here for that layer. But I'm trying to figure out if I want to do pink under here and green, or do I want to just carry the green and pink underneath. I think I might carry the green and pink underneath. So I'm gonna go ahead and use highlight up here. Debating if I want to use the same highlight or not, because I mean it shows, but it's not. Let's see. Figure out how much I want to use. Oh yeah, I definitely used that a little bit. Over there. Do the same for the other side. So I'm gonna try and use the white eyeliner. We're gonna see how this turns out. I'm gonna sharpen it. I think I'm gonna use this to sharpen it. Yeah, I have to have a sharp point when I do the eyeliner or some type of pencil. Okay. Alright, so that's what it looks like with the white eyeliner. I'm feeling it, but I'm not feeling it. Like, it looks okay, but it's not something that I would like wear all the time. I just go back to black. I feel like the white eyeliner is taking away from the look. I'll wipe off as much as the white eyeliner as I could. And we're gonna go ahead and go back to my black eyeliner. So we're gonna see how this looks. Alright, so that's how the black eyeliner looks. I don't know, I'm confused between the two, like what kind I want to use, the black or the white eyeliner. I'm going to be using mascara. So that's what it looked like with the black mascara on. And we're gonna go ahead and use our foundation. I have to use a lot of this stuff because and use a concealer. I try not to use a lot when you have mascara on. Go ahead and dab it up here. We have it on. Now I'm gonna use, let's see, I might use the same comb palette for my highlight. I carried that as a kid. So I'm gonna go with the clear lip gloss. This is Cab with lip oil. I love this. It's so good. Like it keeps your lips shining all day long. This is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I'm actually glad it came out great. I was thinking about doing like a white eyeliner, but I feel like the white eyeliner took away from the actual look itself. So I was like, I'll just finish off with black. And yeah, guys, this is the finished product. Hope you guys like it. Comment down below what your favorite cartoon characters were. And I hope you guys had a good day. Enjoy the rest of your night or day, depending on where you're at. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.